This is a quick tutorial to show you all how to access the homework tool offered on CPM's website. So first you want to start by opening up a browser and typing in homework.cpm.org. Once you get to the website, select the book that you are currently working out of and the chapter you're working out of. And now you see the lessons are broken down. Let's go ahead and select the lesson that you're working out of. And then each problem set associated with that particular lesson. When you click on that problem, it takes you directly to it, and you have a couple different options. So the first option is a hint. So the hint gives you a quick hint, which will lead you to the answer. While other questions give you a step-by-step breakdown, followed by the answer. Not all the questions give you the same information as far as the steps, the answer, or a hint. They're simply a tool to help you through the homework. So notice it says selected hints, answers, and e-tools. Take some time and go through a lesson and peruse the problems. Get familiar with it so when your students ask, you know how to assist them. If after working through them and working with another teacher you still have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to either myself, Ms. Ambrose, or to Mr. Sweet.